Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert a PDF file into a Word file on the 123apps.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Then scroll down to the PDF Tools section and click on this PDF to Word button. Tap on Choose File and then choose the document from your files and click on Upload. As you can see, it has been processed in only a few seconds, so tap on the Download button. And in a few seconds you will be able to check out how it looks like. So here you have your PDF file converted into a Word document. So go to Downloads, tap on the document to check out how it looks like. It takes a few seconds. So here you have your file. As you can see, it is a completely new Word document. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.